Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, my name is Muhammad Nisar and you are watching my channel Muhammad Nisar itself. Friends, you are curious to learn about how to speak English faster. This is a problem that every person faces in their day-to-day life, that we must understand, we must read, we must write, and the important thing is how to speak in English. Every person only thinks about that I wish I should know how to speak English. So this video is going to help you a lot, because I'm here with my friends and they are very curious to speak in English. Okay, so this is the day where we are going to explain our journey with you. Okay, so let me tell you, some days ago I created a video, I shot a video that we prepared a pitch over there, but there was some reason that we did not continue it. What was the problem? I will explain in this video. Okay, my friends, I have three friends. First one is Kutubullah, and the second one is Junaid, and third one is what is his name? Kaif. In this video we are going to see our first pitch that due to some reason we did not continue it. We are very excited to play on this special pitch, but what happened exactly I will tell you in this video. That is our first pitch that we have created 2 days ago, and I created a video on this particular pitch, but now we had to left it, because if I tell about this pitch, that this is neat and clean, that we put much effort means much effort. We tried our best to make this pitch tremendous and special, but the owner of this field said us that this plot is going to be ploughed. This plot means this special field is going to be plowed after 2 days, so we did not continue it. This was the reason that we did not continue to make this pitch special, but now we have shifted another way. Can you see those people, those children are playing over there? If I zoom it, you can see it clearly. Yes, there are lots of goats are grazing over there. Okay, that one. So another pitch has been created over there. Okay, and now we are going to play, and we have called our players and they are on their way because they had their examination, so they are very exhausted today. And if I talk about the weather, so today's weather is very hot. So this is my humble request to all of you, that my dear friends, always keep yourself cold. And this is an information given by government, that after 10 o'clock, please, you don't have any work, then please don't come out from your home, because it can be dangerous for your health. So please mind it. First, keep yourself healthy. So my dear friends, I have three friends. First one is Junaid, second is Muhammad Kaif, and the last one, and he is very funny guy, his name is Kutubullah. Its name is too long. If you go through the letters, then you will get 10 letters: Kutubullah, Kutubullah. And if I think that you might be stuck while pronouncing it. Okay, so what exactly happened yesterday? Oh, he is saying that there is no person who can pronounce my name correctly, and that is well. So what exactly happened yesterday, I would like to ask from Muhammad Kaif, because he was the captain of that particular match, that how we played and how we enjoyed a lot. So Kaif, what was happened yesterday? कल क्या हुआ था?
कल यही हुआ था, टॉस हुआ।
हाँ,
लेकिन हम लोग पैसा भी जीत गए।
हाँ,
मैच भी जीते अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, और पैसा भी जीत गए।
हाँ।
वो सब पैसा नहीं डाला हम लोग के पास, बोल रहा है कि झूठे का लगाया था हम लोग मैच।
अच्छा,
चंदा कर करके लगाया था, और उसमें भी 30 रुपया दिया था।
okay. Means the match was about 50 rupees. Okay, but they paid you only 30 rupees.
30 रुपये।
Oh, so friend, now you can see that it is common. It's happening in our friends circle, that yesterday we played 2 matches. Okay, and both of them we have won that match. But unfortunately, they did not pay us. They only paid 30 rupees. 30 rupees. And if I talk about Junaid, he was also a member of that match. Means previous match we played well, because in those matches we have scored. We have 0 run.
जीरो अभी जो मैं
Okay.
रनर किया था बस.
Okay, Junaid, what was your experience about yesterday's match? What can you say about that?
एक्चुअली जो हम लोग कल मैच खेले उसमें मैं रनर था और मैं सिर्फ बैट पकड़ा ही रह गया, मुझे खेलने का मौका ही नहीं मिला. 2 ओवर में हमारे साथ ही मैच जिता दिए.
Okay.
और सेकंड मैच में मुझे मौका ही नहीं मिला, ना रनर करने के लिए ना बैटिंग करने के लिए. हमारे दोस्त ही ऐसे मैच जिता दिए. लेकिन दूसरा मैच बहुत फंस गया था, कह सकते हैं कि उसमें कितना 6 गेंदा में 15 रन मारना था. और वहाँ पे स्ट्राइक पे कौन थे? कुतबुल्ला.
Okay, Kutbulla was
And
on the
hit
strike.
continue hit to 1-6 and 1-4 run, and then we won the match that time.
Yesterday played 2 match. First toss is not win
Okay.
and give up. उन्होंने हमें बैटिंग दे दिया, बॉलिंग दे दिया. बॉलिंग किया.
They decided to bat first.
दे डिसाइडेड बैट फर्स्ट, बट उन्होंने हम लोगों ने इतना अच्छी बॉलिंग की. बस हमारे 2 ही बॉलर बॉलिंग कर रहे थे, तो उन्होंने 5 ओवर में मात्र 20 रन का टारगेट दिया. फिर हमें मौका मिला ओपनिंग करने का. हमने फर्स्ट ओवर में ही 12 रन ठोक डाला.
Okay.
उसके बाद एक जो बॉलर है बहुत शानदार बॉलिंग किया. उसकी बॉल जंप ही नहीं हो रही थी, तो उसके बॉल पर हमने आउट हो गया. उसके बाद हमारे अदर प्लेयर्स ने हिट कर के छक्का मार के 20 रन पूरा किया मात्र 2 ओवर में. फिर अगले मैच में हम टॉस जीते, तो टॉस का बट विलेज मैच हमेशा होता है कि जब टॉस जीतेंगे तो चॉइस फर्स्ट बैटिंग. एंड हम लोग टॉस किए दूसरी मैच में और टॉस जीते और चूज किए बैटिंग का.
And you score
and
49 run.
Okay, friends, that's all about yesterday's match. Now I am going to reveal such a tremendous thing. You might be shocked after hearing the speech. Yes, I'm talking about this speech. Yes, this is our second pitch. First was there. We created it, but due to some reason we did not
Yes,
play on that
hello.
particular pitch. But now we did not get disappointed, because we believe that if you believe on yourself, that if you believe on your own hands, then no one can make you disappointed. So this is our second pitch. Now you can see the condition of the pitch. It can be compared with the IPL pitches, because we have put a much effort to make this. First we dug it out, and after that we watered so many watered so many water. We watered so many water means हमने बहुत सारा पानी इस पे बहाया था, and we left it to be dried. Okay, and now this is ready. We have played yesterday, and in playing we found many things. I was the bowler. I gave only 1 run in 1 over, and
last over is 3 wickets.
and in the last over I took 3 wickets. And he is a man, his name is Rohit. Rohit, please come here. Come. He is the Rohit. He is the person he was talking about. That is the bowler he is talking about. This that वो he is talking about ना कि उसका बॉल ही नहीं उठ रहा था. So he was the bowler. He considers himself just like a Bumrah. Friends, as you can see, all players are present here. Now we are going to play together, and one more thing is there. Only playing doesn't mean enjoying yourself. Playing means it's a part of your study, because if you get tired of studying, if you get tired of working at your home, at your office, so refreshment is very important, because whenever you play with your friends, your mind will get some pleasure, and this pleasure will boost your activity, your immune system to get more extra work. So we are here to play cricket. Okay, and I'm creating this video doesn't mean I don't have any work. I have lots of work, but this is my first work that I have to create a video, and I have to improve my communication by creating shooting videos on daily basis. So the name of the batsman is Rohit, and the keeper who is going far, okay, whose name is Kaif. Now I'm going to make you meet such a tremendous boy who knows English little bit but well. So here is that little small kid whose name is Sahil. Sahil?
Samad.
Samad. Okay, your name is Samad.
Samad.
How are you, Samad?
I am fine.
I am fine. What is your name?
My name is Samad.
Okay, so what is the name of your parents? Your
My
father's name?
My parent name is Sahim Ali.
Okay, Sahim Ali. So what is the name of your school?
My school name is ST South Teresa Girls Middle School.
Okay, girls middle school.
Hmm.
Okay, don't take it. Don't take it on heart. Okay. So do you know English little bit? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, so can you translate anything into English?
Yes.
Okay, friends. Now I'm going to ask some questions in Hindi, and he is ready to translate into English. And really, if you want to speak English, then you will go through some little sentences. Okay. मैं एक खिलाड़ी हूँ.
I am a player.
वेरी नाइस. मैं एक डांसर हूँ.
I am a dancer.
आई एम अ डांसर. ओके.
I am-
मैं एक बॉलर हूँ.
I am a bowler.
वेरी नाइस. मेरे पिताजी किसान हैं.
My father is a
फार्मर.
farmer.
फार्मर. ओके. मेरे पिताजी डॉक्टर हैं.
My father is a doctor.
वेरी नाइस. तुम चालाक हो.
You are a very
क्लेवर.
clever.
ओके. यू आर अ
Very
क्लेवर.
clever.
ओके. वह एक लड़का है.
He is a boy.
वह एक लड़की है.
She is a girl.
शी इज अ.
Girl.
ओके, दैट्स ऑल. सो कैन यू से समथिंग अबाउट माय ऑडियंस? कुछ कहेंगे ऑडियंस के बारे में?
हम ऑडियंस के बारे में यही कहना करेंगे तो आप मन लगा कर पढ़िए और ध्यान दीजिए और इंग्लिश सीखिए क्योंकि आजकल के ज़माने में इंग्लिश बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Yes, this is what now, friends. Really, this boy has tremendous qualities of speaking English that he suggested you if you want to learn anything, so you should know English because everything in English. If you like, if you want to prepare for the NEET examination, then the language should be English. So knowing English is very important, not only for studying. If you are going up abroad to earn some money, so then you must have. Now friends, you can see they are playing together. The batter who is holding the position strike is Rohit, and he considers himself as a Bumrah. Whenever he goes for bowling, he considers himself as a Bumrah, and the real Bumrah now is bowling right now. As you can see, if I zoom it, you can see it calf, because the action of calf is very awesome. You can't imagine it. And the person who is coming in red kurta, you can say he is very dangerous player. Now he is in the bowling. ए बाबू थोड़ा संभल के. Okay, now Qutbullah is there to keep the ball, means he is a wicket keeper, and every person behind me, there are lots of children, they are playing together. And finally my friend Junaid is coming towards me because he had need some money and he went for doing some work, and that was very important, non-avoidable. So this is the time we have to conclude our talk. So Junaid, just sit beside me. Okay, so friends, if you want to become a fluent speaker, okay, so speak daily. This is my request to all of you who is watching my video very passionately. This is your responsibility to make yourself fluent, and always remember fluency comes when you practice a lot. Only knowing grammar is not sufficient. If you want to really become a fluent speaker, then you must speak daily. Talk about yourself, talk about your surroundings, and talk about those actions you do on your daily basis. Because knowing grammar and thinking yourself that one day I will speak English after knowing all the rules of grammar, so that time will not come to you and you will never able to speak. This is my humble request to all of you. If you want to talk about yourself, then please speak daily, practice, and keep going. Okay, the prayer call is being announced now, so this is time we have to leave right it now because the most important voice is coming towards us, so we are going to pray together. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing. Hats off.